baby. Walk in the club, my heater, baby. Damn, hello, good evening, baby. I'm having cheese like Velveeta, baby. I mean, my ain't seen me lately. Until I pull up in the drop top. Got your bruh cold in the crop top. You want smoke, we gon' make it a hot box.
Loser.
Alright, so what I got for y'all in this video, as y'all can tell by that little time lapse at the beginning of the video, I got one of these Angry Birds grills. So I went ahead and painted it semi-gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on a time lapse. It ain't gonna be much talking in this video, and I'm gonna get this thing installed. So that's gonna do it for this install. Sorry it was all a time lapse. I mean, I wouldn't recommend giving anybody advice on how to put this on. I mean, it's extremely complicated. But a quick overview is, you got your clips up top. You have to pop this off, and there's 2 screws on the side. And other than that, it should be pretty much easy. There's some clips at the bottom of the grill holding the grill on. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't recommend anybody doing this. The only thing I can say that was bad, which wasn't too big of a deal, for these, I kind of had a Dremel. Just take like a little Dremel and make the holes a little bit bigger for these bigger clips to get put in. But yeah, like I said, I painted it a semi-gloss. I think it turned out pretty good. That's gonna be it for this video. I gotta replace some of these clips on the side that I broke, but other than that, I'll catch you on the next one.